Welcome to online training and testing schemes in wine education. We follow with the introduction to sensor evaluation and wine testing techniques. When we think in sensory system, we think in 5 modalities: hearing, smell, taste, touch, and vision. Sight is the result of electromagnetic radiation that flow into the retina. Taste and smell, also called respiratory contact and remote chemoreception, because they involve chemical interaction, respond to chemical stimuli. Hearing responds to rapid fluctuations in atmospheric pressure. Pressure due to physical contact with an object stimulates the sense of touch. So, the brain organizes and gives meaning to incoming information, transforming of raw data due to experience perception. So, the stimulus energy, light, sound, smell, go to sensory receptors, eyes, ears, nose, neural impulses, and go to our brain, visual, auditory, olfactory areas, to the perception of the stimulus. Sensor characteristic of food and related sense: appearance, sight; smell, aroma, smell; flavor, taste. Flavor is a combination between taste and smell. Sound, hearing; texture, tactile; density, tactile; temperature, tactile; burning, tactile. So, factors that influence sensory perception as psychological factors and physiological factors. Product properties, intrinsic properties, and extrinsic properties. And situation influences, physical surrounding, sensory integration is very important, and are all factors that influence sensory perception. Thank you.